Hey friends, if you wish to know more about the Microsoft Update Catalog to download and save Windows updates, then please watch this video. Now, ideally, Windows updates are supposed to install on their own, and I'll explain this. Right click on the Start button, select Settings, go to the Windows Update tab. If they do not get installed on their own, then click on Check for Updates and keep this switch on. If you keep this switch on, you'll keep the latest updates as soon as they're available. But a lot of users may wish to download these updates manually, especially if the automatic updates are not working. So here's how you can download them. Search for Microsoft Update Catalog on the Bing or Google search bar. Open this website catalog.update.microsoft.com. Now, we need to search for the latest month and year in the MMYYYY format. How? Like the latest month is June, so it's 06 forward slash 2024 for the year, and then hit enter. And you'll find all the latest updates here in the sequence of the last updated one. However, if you are in the earlier part of the month, like first, second, third, fourth, or fifth of the month, then the cumulative update may not have been launched. So check it for the previous month. Like I'll check it for May in that case. However, in my case, since there is already a cumulative update for June, I will check it for June. Now, this is the latest one for x64 systems. So I'll click on download, and then I will click on this MSU file here, and then I'll click on this option to install it on my system. And this is how you can install updates from the Microsoft Update Catalog, and this is a really helpful way when all other methods to install Windows updates fail. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.